Hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry. In today's video, we, Man and AI, will be discussing the Format Painter and the F4 function key. This video has two clips, one man-made and the other created by AI. In the first clip, I will demonstrate, and in the second, AI will demonstrate using a text-to-video application. Let's get started. If you subscribe to my channel, you already know that I post a new tip every Tuesday. The spreadsheet I am showing has the dates for the months of April, May, and June of 2024. To demonstrate the Format Painter, I will copy the format for Tuesday, April 2nd, red text, bold, and underlined, to all of the Tuesdays in April, May, and June. I will demonstrate this in two ways. One you may already know, the other not so obvious way to format the number for targets faster and easier. At the end, I will demonstrate how to use the F4 function key to repeat the last command you make in Excel. On to the spreadsheet. With my source cell selected, Tuesday, April 2nd, I'll go to the Format Painter on the Home tab and click the paintbrush. Click on Tuesday, April 2nd and format it exactly like my source. I'll go back to the Format Painter, click the paintbrush again, highlight Tuesday, April 9th, and paint the format. I'll go back to the Format Painter, click Tuesday, April 16th, and paint the format. This can get kind of tedious. Another technique that is not so well known is to select your source, go to the Home tab, double-click on the Format Painter, and with the double-click, you can then highlight April 23rd, April 30th, May 7th, May 14th, and to take the double-click format off, all you need to do is hit Escape. This is a quick and valuable technique for painting formats into more than one target cell. Another useful command that's not so well known is the F4 function key to repeat the last command. I always do most of my work on Sundays, so I will go to Sunday, April 7th, and I will highlight it in yellow. Next, I'll go to Sunday, April 14th, hit the F4 function key, and it repeats the last command I had. I'll go to Sunday, April 21st, hit the F4 function key, and it repeats the last command. Both of these tools are time savers and can be very valuable in your work. If you like these tips, like and subscribe. Next, let's see how AI does.
Ever pondered over the magic that is the Format Painter in Microsoft Office? Well, today it's time to dive into the world of this handy tool that can save you a ton of time and effort. Imagine a scenario. You've just spent a good amount of time perfecting the format of a paragraph in your document. It's got the perfect font, size, color, and alignment. Now you want to apply the same formatting to several other paragraphs throughout your document. Sounds like a lot of work, right? Well, not with the Format Painter. The Format Painter is a tool in Microsoft Office that allows you to copy the formatting from one area of your document and apply it to another with just a few clicks. To use it, first highlight the text with the formatting you want to copy. Then go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on the Format Painter icon. It's the one that looks like a paintbrush. This will load your cursor with the formatting you've just copied. Now simply highlight the text you want to apply the formatting to, and voila, your text is formatted just like the original. But what if you have multiple areas where you want to apply the formatting? That's where double-clicking the Format Painter comes in. After highlighting the text with the desired formatting, double-click the Format Painter icon. This will keep the Format Painter active, allowing you to apply the formatting to multiple areas in your document. Once you're done, simply click the Format Painter icon again, or press the SE key to turn it off. Now let's not forget about the F4 function key. This key is a real time saver. After performing an action like copying and pasting text or formatting a paragraph, pressing F4 will repeat that last action. So if you've just pasted a paragraph and want to paste it again elsewhere, just move your cursor to the new location and press F4. It's that simple. To recap, the Format Painter is a powerful tool that allows you to copy and apply formatting from one area of your document to another. Double-clicking the Format Painter icon will keep it active for multiple uses. And the F4 key is your shortcut for repeating the last action. So the next time you're working on a document and find yourself needing to replicate formatting or actions, remember these handy tools. They're there to make your life easier and your work more efficient. Happy formatting!
Thanks for staying to the end. Any way you look at it, Function F4 and the Format Painter are valuable time savers that will make you more efficient. Now it's time for you to decide, man or AI. Leave a comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry.